Hey guys, today I'm going to share with you how to make a classic ensalada de coditos con jamón. So if you want to learn how to make it, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alrighty guys, so here I already have all of my ingredients. As always, they will be listed in the description box. So with that being said, let's begin cooking. Okay, we're going to begin by cooking our coditos. To our pot, fill it up halfway with water. Make sure you add a good amount of salt, half an onion, and 2 bay leaves. We're just going to allow it to come to a boil. Once the water comes to a full boil, we're going to add 7 ounces of coditos, and we're just going to cook it al dente according to its packet. Make sure to move them around so they don't stick. Okay, so once our coditos are done, we're going to drain the water. Okay, make sure to remove the onion and the bay leaves. Okay, so now we're just going to allow them to cool down. Okay, so once our coditos have cooled down, we're going to transfer them to our bowl. To that, we're going to add 14 ounces of ham, 14 ounces of corn, 1 small red bell pepper, 4 green onions, pickled jalapeños, along with 2 tablespoons of pickled jalapeno juice. We're going to be adding about 1 teaspoon of mustard, 1/4 of a cup of sour cream, 1 cup of mayo, half a teaspoon of garlic salt, black pepper, and a little bit of salt. And now we're just going to mix it all together. And you can also add celery and shredded carrots to this as well. But we're just going to keep it very simple today. Okay, so once you have mixed it all together, taste it for salt and see if you need to adjust it. So now we're just going to place it in the refrigerator and allow it to refrigerate for at least 30 minutes. Alright guys, and after 30 minutes, we can now get ready to serve and enjoy. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now let me tell you guys that I hope you give this recipe a try. It's seriously super easy to make. This is a macaroni salad that every mom takes to the carne asada. So I hope you give it a try and enjoy it just as much. And you can always make this a day before, so like that, you know, the next day it's ready. But I am also ready, so cheers and enjoy. Seriously, super delicious. And like I said, you can always add celery and carrots, or even just like this. So good. Alrighty guys, and there you have it on how to make a super easy and delicious ensalada de coditos con jamón. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Share with your friends and family, and if you regret this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias. And if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.